Hey, Patricia.
Yes.
Hey, how are you doing? Hey, I'm Officer Asher, Palm Insurance. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I was following my navigation. I missed a turn that said make a U-turn, so.
Oh, okay.
This stop raises three legal questions: the lawfulness of the stop, implied consent, and the limits of vehicle extraction authority. Under Terry v. Ohio, officers need only reasonable, articulable suspicion to initiate a stop. A U-turn in a prohibited zone satisfies that threshold.
Were you able to find your insurance from my partner?
Well, it's hard for me to see. I'm from
Here,
California.
no
so
worries.
I
I'll give you a
don't
light
know.
to help you out.
So is this
That's the registration. We're looking for the vehicle insurance.
I have it in my phone.
In your phone?
Yes, I do. I have it in my phone.
Which
It's AAA.
AAA?
Yes.
Do you have like a mobile app or anything like
Well,
that?
that's what I know I put everything in my notes. So I just don't know what it's under. So I put in AAA.
I got you.
Oh, here's AAA card.
Perfect. Let me see it.
Wait, hold on. Oh, here it is. Insurance documents.
Can you zoom in on it so it shows like your policy number and which vehicle it's assigned to and everything?
I just don't know what it looks like here. Everything's covered going, so.
No worries.
Total sold auto insurance. There's a number, Patricia. There's my premium.
Yeah, no, but it doesn't show the policy or anything like that.
Let me look again. Let me just go back. I don't remember. It's
Okay.
AAA Florida, 8/16/23.
So, Patricia, where are we coming from tonight?
My sister-in-law's.
Okay.
Is this it? Oh, sorry.
Does she live in the area?
Yes.
She does? Okay. And where are you heading to?
I was going home.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in PGA.
Oh, okay. What, PJ National?
Yes.
Okay. All right. How much alcohol do you drink tonight?
I don't have anything to drink.
Nothing at all?
I'm patient right now.
You're what?
Patient. I'm
Okay.
under.
Are you taking medication right now?
No, I'm doing.
Or in treatment?
No, I'm doing treatment. I'm doing radiation therapy.
You're in radiation right now?
Yes.
Okay. What were you drinking
So-
in your cup right there?
In my cup?
Mm-hmm.
My cup, this is my wormwood and blackwood walnut.
Do you mind if I see it?
Well, no, I understand that's an unreasonable search and seizure.
That's an unreasonable
There's
search and
nothing
seizure?
in my cup. It's empty. There's nothing in there.
I can literally hear something rolling around in there. I just want to see what liquid you had in there. So
There's no liquid in it. There's nothing in there but ice. I have wormwood and black walnut oil.
Okay.
So,
All right. Do you take any chemical controlled substances, narcotics, anything like that?
no.
That might impair you? No? Do you take any
No,
medication?
I'm not impaired. I was following my navigation. I'm new to Florida.
Okay,
I just came from California.
Okay. Do you take
It
any?
said make a U-turn.
I understand. All right. But you still need to follow the law and road signs and everything.
Of course.
Do you take any medications you shouldn't be taking while operating heavy machinery?
No.
Okay.
No, I haven't done anything wrong. I was following my navigation. It said make a U-turn. I made a U-turn and y'all pulled me over. That was it.
Okay.
That was absolutely it. So
Okay. So why am I smelling the odor of alcohol coming off of you?
You can say that, but you're not.
I'm not? Oh, okay. So you weren't drinking at all?
No, I haven't had anything to drink at all. I'm in radiation therapy.
Patricia, can I see your eyes, please? Can you take your glasses off for me?
I haven't had anything to drink. If you would like me to get this for you, I could do it, but I
Okay.
would
Yeah,
definitely not appreciate you flashing the lights in my eyes.
I'm not flashing. I'm
I
trying to look
made
at
a
your eyes.
U-turn doing what my navigation said.
Okay.
That's all I did. So
Do you have your license in there?
Haven't ran. She doesn't have one on her.
I do have a picture of my Florida license.
You don't have your actual license on you, ma'am. That's what I'm saying.
Well,
Can I see? Here, let me see your license, man. The picture that you have.
I have my Florida one. It will come up. I just don't know what it's saved exactly under. So I'm typing in driver's license. And my this is my California license. I will find you my Florida one.
I'm standing like 3 feet away. I can still smell it.
California.
Just to be safe, you know.
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
So just be safe. You want to enter Oceana and see.
See if you can give me your license first.
Hmm?
See if you can give me the license first.
already ran it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I got off the side.
All right, Patricia, listen. Hey, you can time out with that. Listen, I'm a little concerned that you might be driving while impaired. All right. You're telling me you're not drinking. All right, but what I'm smelling and seeing is a little different. All right, so I'll make sure that's not the case. All right. So I want you to just do a few standardized exercises for me, just to make sure that's not the case. You're not impaired.
That's a violation of my First and Fourth Amendment.
It's not a violation of your First Amendment at all. I'll make you understand the Constitution. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. Time out. All right.
Florida Statute 316.1932 is unambiguous. By driving on Florida's public roads, a driver has already consented by operation of law to sobriety testing upon lawful arrest. Refusal carries a 1-year administrative license suspension and is admissible at trial as evidence of consciousness of guilt. The subject invoked the First Amendment. To refuse field sobriety exercise is a critical legal error. The First Amendment protects speech and assembly. It does not shield a driver from a physical coordination test. The correct framework is the Fourth Amendment, which does not bar sobriety tests during a lawful stop, supported by reasonable suspicion of impairment. On vehicle extraction, the subject demanded a judicial warrant to exit her vehicle. Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, settled this decades ago. Ordering a driver out during a lawful traffic stop requires no warrant. It is a de minimis intrusion, outweighed by officer safety. Refusal is resisting an officer under Florida Statute 843.0-2. The extraction itself falls under Graham v. Connor. Force must be objectively reasonable given what the officer knew at that moment. The reported ankle injury during extraction is a point of concern. Officers have a duty to recognize a genuine physical obstruction rather than continue pulling against resistance caused by a mechanical obstacle.
Because right now you're refusing to do the exercises, all right?
You don't have a reasonable articulation that I've committed any kind of crime.
Time out.
I made
Absolutely,
a U-turn. Wait a second.
Time
Hold
out.
on. Do you have your camera on?
It's absolutely recording everything that's happening.
I made a U-turn based on my camera in my car that said make a U-turn.
Okay.
I missed a turn.
All right, Patricia, time out. Listen, I'm going to advise you right now what's called your Taylor warnings. You need to listen because it's 3 parts. Number 1, by you refusing to comply with the exercise that I'm requesting that you do, you're not going to be able to dispel my concern that you're operating a motor vehicle tonight while impaired by an alcoholic beverage and or chemical under controlled substance. Number 2, you're going to force me to make an arrest based on the totality of the circumstances. Do you understand what that means? That means everything
I was married to a police sergeant, so I understand exactly all
And number
of
3,
it.
your refusal may be used against you in court, all right?
It may be used against me in court, but you guys don't have
so
a right because I made a
keeping that warning in
U-turn
mind, will you do these
based on
exercises to dispel my concern?
No, because I know exactly what you
All
can see when you pull someone out of your car unless you get a warrant. Pull me out of my car by a judge. You can't do it.
I don't need a warrant.
You may not. That's violation of. You cannot reach your hand in my car. You guys can't. Why are you reaching?
Do not touch his hand.
Why are you reaching in my car?
Do not touch his hand.
Why are you reaching in my car? Why are you reaching in my car?
Because you're under arrest right now. Step out of the
For
car.
what? Wait, I'm watching you. You're violating my Fourth Amendment and my First Amendment, right? You're violating my First Amendment, right? Oh, wait.
Step out of the car.
Hold on. I'm not resisting. I'm
out of the car.
Excuse me.
Step out of the
My
car.
purse.
Out of the car.
Hold on. My foot's stuck in the seat. You guys, my foot's stuck in. Oh my God, you're breaking my ankle. Oh my gosh, you guys, my foot. You can see my heel stuck under the seat.
Take your foot out of there.
Take your foot out.
God, you guys.
Take it out.
Take your foot out.
Hold on.
Drop your phone.
I
Let
have
go.
the First Amendment right to
Drop
that.
your phone.
Now you just broke my First Amendment right.
Take your foot out of there, man.
You guys,
Turn your body.
my heel is stuck in there.
There you go.
Okay,
Step
now.
out. Put your hands on your back.
For what?
You're under arrest.
For what? For what? What are you arresting me
Stop turning.
for? Is your camera on?
Yes,
Yep,
it's on,
put it
man.
on.
Name the badge number.
Officer Sheriff, 57.
Tomorrow 511.
What am I being arrested for?
You weren't resisting an officer.
I haven't resisted anything.
Absolutely did.
No,
It was easy. You didn't have to do all that.
Can you, hold on. Can you guys, please, could you grab my purse from the ground, please?
Hold on.
You know, officer.
Hand me my phone back, because I have the right to record what is happening. I have my First Amendment right.
We're recording here, right? We're recording everything that's going
Can you
on, okay?
please grab my purse?
Yeah, we're going to pick it up. Hold on.
Thank
Female
you.
officer first, sir.
You guys, this is ridiculous.
All you did was comply.
What, comply?
Absolutely.
Well, first of all, I have the right to be safe and secure in my
Correct.
persons and my papers.
And everybody else on the road here has a right to be safe and secure
guys
from
mind-
impaired drivers.
My Alexa said make a U-turn. I made a U-turn and now you guys arrested me. This is insanity.
I've never seen the
And
car.
the fact that you guys, is your camera on?
Yes, ma'am. That is.
All right, I want to talk to your camera and your camera on.
You
You guys refused to allow me to record this transaction.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did. You refused. You pulled my phone out of my hand. You did not allow me.
You can't just pull out your phone and say I'm recording once you're under arrest. It's not how
No,
it
I
works.
wasn't. I was in my own vehicle. I was not under arrest.
Jesus, dude.
She was charged with DUI and resisting arrest without violence.
Officer grade, B-. The stop, advisement, and MIMS application were correct. Grade reduced for insufficient response to reported physical distress during extraction. Subject grade, C+. Correct instinct to assert rights. Wrong amendment, wrong legal theory. Wrong decision to refuse the exit order. All three generated charges that were avoidable. Lessons from this specific incident. Patricia's radiation therapy was disclosed verbally, but never documented on camera as a formal medical record. Had she presented written medical documentation of her treatment and its neurological side effects, it would have directly challenged the HGN findings. As independent evidence of impairment, her phone, her only recording device, was lost during the struggle. A dashboard camera or secondary device running continuously would have preserved independent footage of the extraction and the precise moment the phone was taken. Critical evidence for any Section 1983 claim. Most critically, every legal argument Patricia raised was substantively correct in principle, but applied to the wrong moment. Rights are best defended in a courtroom, not at a car window. Comply at the scene. Challenge the legality after. That sequence preserves your rights without creating new charges. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out Audit the Court for more content.